Happy Monday. I am studying meteorologist Harrison Black, and let's just get right into it. So your current conditions across the area right now, not any rain on the radar across the Tennessee Valley. That rain from this morning well far to our south of Birmingham. At this point, we're sitting in the upper 70s to start our day today. That will change quickly though into the afternoon hours. We should get up to around 105 degrees on the heat index today, and then tomorrow we'll be north of 110 degrees. So very hot 2 days coming up, but tomorrow, Tuesday, will definitely be the hotter day. But here's the upper level chart, 4 p.m. today, and you can see that heat dome is, or at least the center of the heat dome is hanging over New Mexico at that point, and underneath that it is very hot and mostly sunny. The moisture and a lot of that convection is to our south, and not as much widespread coverage today at all. In fact, the RRFS shows absolutely nothing on radar at 4 p.m. today, and then tomorrow is more of the same, a little bit hotter, a little bit muggier, and unfortunately looks like no storm coverage, so no relief through the afternoon hours tomorrow. Again, those heat index values may end up being north of 110 degrees. Upper level chart on Wednesday, you can see that heat dome is still right over New Mexico, but that trough in the northeast is really starting to dig in there, and underneath that a little front's gone through. You can see that boundary over central Alabama. To the north of that, where we are, the air is a little bit drier, a little bit cooler. When I say cooler, I'm still talking like mid 80s, but relative to what we're dealing with like the day before, it will be a noticeable difference. On Thursday, more of the same, drier, cooler, not expecting any rain. It is going to be a definitely more pleasant day versus the days that we're going to be dealing with today and tomorrow. But upper level chart on Friday, the ridge is starting to build yet again. The trough is starting to break down a little bit, but underneath that, we're still dealing with the same kind of conditions. Drier, cooler. The rain is staying a little bit to our west and northwest. So CPC 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, you can see that we are kind of going to be near normal to maybe just slightly above average. I think that nails it on the head right there. I think that's going to be right. Your averages, your high is 90 for this time of year, and then low is 72, with your records 97 degrees in 2011 and 64 degrees as your lowest in 2004. But here's your 5-day forecast. Very hot these next 2 days, but we do dry off after Wednesday morning, and we get into those at or below average temperatures. So I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your Monday and a wonderful week.